Today we're going to be doing an Algerian eye stitch. So I'm going to start from the back of this design. So I'm bringing my needle up from the top left corner and I'm taking it down diagonally down to the center. So now I'm going to pull my thread through and then I'm going to go back to the side in the middle and head back down through the center. So all the time I'm starting from the outside and working in. So this Algerian eye stitch is going to be 8 long lengths of stitches. So this stitch is really good for background fills and decorative areas. It's often used in traditional canvas work and vintage and folk embroidery patterns. So I'm just working my way around. Now I'm in the bottom right hand side through to the center, and you just keep going. I think that this design would be really good with perhaps a bead in the center. Once it's finished, you could switch up the different thread colors. The other thing that you can do to start off with is you can actually draw the square in and then the more star-shaped design in the center, like I'm showing you there. But I didn't want the pencil lines left on the fabric. And there we have it.